Welcome back to the 5th Annual Fidget Spinner Top World Championship. I'm Bob Dwyer. Our contestants are... Jesus! Where's my shirt? Contestants are just about to get started. Let's go take a look at them. Alright, first up we have Daniel Smith from Nashville, Tennessee. Looks like he's going for the index finger spin. He tried this one last season but couldn't quite hold on. And he's done it. That was good. Alright, our next contestant is... For the love of God! How is he doing that? The first ever forehead cyclone. I can't believe my eyes. An upright toe spin! What is going on here? Oh. Well, I think we have a clear winner. Surely no one is going to... What the fuck? Jesus Christ! God!